Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send a bold message in a Telegram chat using the latest and easiest method. If you want your words to stand out or just want to add a bit of emphasis, bold text is the way to go. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to send your message. This can be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel. Now, type your message in the chat box as you normally would. Think about which word or sentence you want to make bold. This is perfect for highlighting important details or drawing attention to a specific part of your message. Once you've typed your message, tap and hold the word or sentence you want to bold. After a moment, you'll see some options pop up above your selected text. Look for the three dots icon in the options bar. This is usually located at the right or top right, depending on your device. Tap on the three dots to open more formatting choices. From the menu that appears, select the bold option. Instantly, you'll notice your chosen text changes to a bold style, making it stand out from the rest of your message. Now, all that's left is to tap send. Your message will appear in the chat with the bold formatting, making it easy for everyone to spot the important information you wanted to highlight. That's it. With just a few taps, you can make your messages pop and ensure your key points never get missed. Whether you're sharing deadlines, instructions, or just want to make your chat a bit more expressive, bold text is a great tool. If you found this guide helpful, try it out in your next Telegram conversation and see how much clearer your messages become. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.